In today's video, I'm going to be showing you another very cool method and effective method to earn money online, and you don't need any skills to do this. And no, we are not selling anything here, and it's on autopilot. If you wait to the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you bonus that you can make even more money on the internet. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tosin. I do create videos like this that show people how to make money online. So if you hit the subscribe button now and the bell icon, I will notify you anytime when I create new videos like this. In today's method, it's going to be break into 3 steps, all right? And the first step is we're going to idplr.com. idplr.com. What idplr.com means, it is a platform where we can get free products to resell, but like I said, we're not going to be selling any product. What PLR stands for? It stands for private label right. So what we're going to do is that we want to register for free on this platform, okay? And then we need to go down to the bottom, all right? So this is what we're going to be doing. We go down to the bottom and we want to go to this affiliate here. When we click on this affiliate, it's going to bring us to the next page. This is what we're going to be doing here, all right? We're going to make money giving away free membership access for this platform, and we earn 20 cents for every free members that sign up. All we need to do is to refer people to this website, and when they sign up, we get 20 cents for each person that signs up. Okay, so you will earn 20 cents for every free membership that you refer. As to write it here, let me just highlight it for you guys. For every membership that you refer, and these people you refer are most likely to get the gold membership on this platform, and you can get 35 from their monthly payment. You can get 35% commission. All right, so real quick, let me just show you. They have so many products here that you can resell, okay, with a resell right. They have an ebook, they have videos, okay, they have graphic templates, articles, audios, and so on. All you need to do is, first of all, you come to register for free. So they have over 12,590 plus products for you to reuse. What we want to do is just want to go to this free member, okay, and we click here to register for free. After we register, you just click here and we basically fill the form, all right, where we're going to put our name and our email details and verification, and then we go to our email and verify that we are the owner of the email. Then we get set to use this platform, but we're not using. What we want to just do is that we want to sign up for the affiliate programs. All right, so we now go here, and to sign up for the affiliate program, first of all, you read all their inquiry, okay, and then we go down to the bottom. Let me just real quick sign up on my account. All right, guys, after logging in, it's going to bring us to this page here, and then we go down and go click the affiliate, okay. Alright guys, what I want to just show is that normally you can sign up also for the affiliate program on ClickBank, okay. If you don't know ClickBank, this is this website here, alright, this is ClickBank. If you want to sign up, you can just go to click on sign up, and it's a affiliate program platform, alright. You go to sign up and then you sign up for ClickBank, and then you can get the link for this idplr.com, okay. But the best thing that I recommend you to do is that you can create a support ticket here and contact them direct, or you can go to the support center. You click on the support center and contact the idplr.com platform direct for your affiliate link, okay, for your referral link. So after getting this referral link, this is going to bring to the second step. The second step is that you're going to grab your affiliate link. You come here to the support center, or you click this create a support ticket. All right, you can grab your affiliate link like from them, and after you grab your affiliate link, this is going to bring you to the third step. It's going to be split into 2 places. All right, after we get this affiliate link, now we want to start promoting this affiliate link. We want to bring an offer to this affiliate links, so that when people take action and they sign up for free member, we're going to earn 20 cents for that. Okay, so I'm going to show you in the next how we're going to set this up to work automatically. Or we just need to do the work at the first time, okay, and after we leave it, and it's going to be generating this 20 cents for us each time. Okay, so we're going to be generating $1 per 30 seconds. So I'm going to show you, it's going to be split in two parts. Okay, but before I show you, if you're enjoying this method, make sure you leave a like, okay, because that inspires me to upload much video for you, to show you how to make money online. And we're going to be sending offer to these links. Okay, we're going to be promoting this link. I'm going to split this step 3 into two parts. Okay, first part is that we are going to be investing much time, okay, to create content, and we're going to be creating content on YouTube. Okay, don't worry, you don't need to show yourself on the video if you don't like. What we're going to be doing is that if we want to create videos like this, click the filter, we can go to Creative Commons. All right, so we want to come to YouTube and create content. Okay, don't worry, you don't need to show your face if you don't want. So what we want to do is that, for example, we can just write workout. All right, so we have one here with 20 minutes full body workout. Okay, so we can just go to filter and we press this Creative Commons. So if you don't want to show your face, you can just come here, click on the filter and press this Creative Commons. Okay, now we have different type of videos that we can reuse for our own use. Okay, and this is what we're going to be doing. We want to post such videos like this onto our YouTube page. Okay, first of all, you need to create a YouTube page. We can go here and download such videos for our own reuse, okay, and upload them and post them on our YouTube post. Okay, what we then want to do is that, let me just click on this. Okay guys, what we want to do then is that we just want to go to the description real quick, and then we are going to be pasting our affiliate links here, okay, in the description, like this video, like this here. All right, so we are going to be pasting our links here. You can see this video already have 717,000 views. People who are seeing this video are going to be seeing this link also, okay, and so far they are interested in this workout, in this sports niche, in this workout niche, so they can come here and click the link. When they click the link, they may probably sign up for a free membership from here, because in this PLR.com they have different type of products. As you can see here, they have ebook, they have videos, they have software, they have template or graphic, they have different type. They also have workout niche, or like the video that we want to post on our YouTube. So they also have such niche here. So that's the first method that we're going to do. We're going to upload our link here on our description. Okay, we're going to go to YouTube and create content videos like this. Okay, if you don't want to create, you can go to Creative Commons and take one video and reuse it in your own YouTube channel. Okay, and then after posting the video, you're just going to go to the description and paste your link. Okay, so the next type of adverts that we're going to do to drive people to our link is that we want to go to Google and write Shoutcast. We want to go to Shoutcast. Shoutcast is where you can get different type of influencer, okay, social media influencer. So we want to come to Shoutcast and register for free. Now we are on shoutcast.com. okay, this will be the second step, what we can do to drive traffic to our IDPRL affiliate link. Okay, we can just come here and look for influencer that will fit to our niche. For example, if we're in fitness niche or any niche we can just come here. We have someone here with 463,000 followers and for only $10. So if you wait to the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you a bonus that you can even earn $10, okay, and use this $10 for this advertisement, okay, to invest in your business. This is the second method that we can use if you don't have any time to create videos on YouTube and attach your affiliate links in the description. You don't need to create any content. All you need to do is invest a little bit money and promote the affiliate link with this Instagram influencer. They are going to make you a shout out, and this guy will make a shout out for $10, and it's going to paste your link in the front of almost 500,000 Instagram users, okay? And if they click on the link and register for a free membership, you're going to get 20 cents for each person that register for free, and they might probably obtain the gold membership. If you are enjoying this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, make sure you click that sign up button and also the notification bell button, so each time when I create videos like this, you'll be the first one to get notified. Also, make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know which country you are from so I can create more videos that work very well in your country. So guys, if you think that this method is not for you, I also have another recommendation for you, okay? And this recommendation is the exact way how I build multiple income stream online. So if you want to know about it, make sure you check the description, and my number one recommendation for you guys, click in the first link in the description where it's going to be taking you to a place to enter your email address. Make sure you enter your email address, because that's where I'm going to be sending you direct to your email address the exact strategy that I use to build up multiple income stream online.